My name is Johanna Anderson Pratt. I want to give you a warm welcome to the Boston Society of Architects' second Design Awards Gala. This is an event where excellence in the science and art of architecture is honored and celebrated, so have a wonderful time. We're about 100 miles west of Boston, up in the northwest corner of Massachusetts, just up the road from the charming village of Shelburne Falls and right on the banks of the Deerfield River. This is our new state-of-the-art fabrication facility. It's a stone mill, if you will. I'd like to take you in and show you some of the tools. This beautiful, versatile schist stone is quarried up on our land in Ashfield, Massachusetts. That's at about 10 miles from here. We take blocks out of the mountain, bring them down here, stockpile them to be cut all winter. The blocks come into the saw shop and get set up underneath these large diamond-tipped blades that cut the stone into slabs. This block is being sized. Then it'll be turned up on edge and sliced into countertops or flooring or even strips to make Hobson Awards. Our tools use diamonds from the largest saw blade to the smallest polishing pad. They're all imbued with synthetic diamonds. When you're using diamonds, you need to use water to cool the process and keep the dust down. We have a closed loop water system here. We have a big filtration system, so the water goes through the filtration system and all the stone dust gets filtered out and put through a press. And we're very proud of the fact that nothing goes to waste, because the stone dust is used by commercial growers and organic gardeners to remineralize the soil as a wonderful soil amendment. Once the slabs are all cut from the big saws, they come over here and they go through our 8-head gauger polishing machine. What happens is the first 2 heads actually gauge it to specific thicknesses, and then the rest of the heads are finer and finer grits of diamond bricks that go back and forth across the slab of stone and take it up to a polish. We also can do a satin finish, which is halfway up, or a brushed finish, which is a stippled finish. This is the end of the shop where all the fine handwork happens, from sink cutouts to edge work. This is Brandon, our master finisher. We're thrilled and honored to be selected to make this year's Hobsons. Everyone from the men in the quarry to the people in the shop here have had some input into the design, and we've been having a lot of fun. Stone is one of the oldest building materials, and it's all that really endures of all ancient civilizations, and all that will endure, I think. It's really exciting to work with architects and builders. They have a passion and a curiosity for what they do. They have gifts, and they leave behind gifts. Initially, incorporating the Mobius symbol into our stone design was a bit of a challenge. Conveniently, I have a fine architectural metal worker for a neighbor. His name is Ned James. Ned and I worked together to come up with a steel Mobius design. There's a timeless relationship between steel and stone. We decided to use the steel Mobius strip, the underpinnings of the Hobson, and it supports the stone structure above. I'd like to invite everyone at the gala to take a ride out here to beautiful western Massachusetts and take a tour of Ashfield Stone. We'll take you up to the quarry. You can come over here to our fabricating shop and watch the process for yourself. See the stone go from large raw blocks to finished products such as countertops, beautiful floor planking, and even Hobsons.